Aileen?
Kasi kanon to ni Love. Kasi natin, love lang. No way. It's not talaga. It's about, parang hanggang saan ba ang kaya.
How you take care of
How
your
you take
relationship.
care of your relationship. And how much you know also about yourself. Kasi kahit ako, ang dami ko palang nalalaman, kaya ko palang hayaan na lang yung mga ganitong things.
Mikmik!
Para mga ganyan. And hindi ko pala kaya pagka ganito. Ang dami mong nadi-discover. So yun, talaga eh. It's not just being in love. Respect is number one. Communication talaga is the key. I really believe that you really have to talk.
Oh, yes.
And you really have to tell him what you feel. Kasi iba talaga ang mga lalaki. Kala nila okay lang. At tayo naman, di ba parang gusto natin, dapat alam mo na, yung mga few years namin, mga unang years namin, medyo talagang nag-a-adjust talaga kita. Prayers talaga for you to be okay. Kasi, syempre, kung yung mag-best friend nga, kung magkapatid nga, di ba, nagkakatampuhan, ano ba yung everyday mong kasama? So, there will come a time talaga na parang, kaya ko ba to? Samahan ng ganyan. Kasi, syempre, may iba siyang values, iba siyang interest, ibang pagpapalaki sa kanya, iba rin yung sa akin, di ba? Pero yun nga, I think respect and communication talaga.
That's very important.
Mickey!
We really pray together. We have